What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start and open an LLC in the state of Florida. So opening up your own business and getting your business started could be a little intimidating at first, but I promise by the end of this video, literally going to make it less than 5 minutes. You're going to have your LLC up and running, and you're going to be able to get like a business bank account, business credit card, start making money, be official. And I know, it could be intimidating starting up your first business, but don't worry, we're going to get it all really fast, done and easy. Before I start this video, I just want to mention 2 quick things. So when you sign up for your LLC for the first time, always make sure that you renew it every year to keep it active. If you don't renew it, you get it gets deactivated and you have to pay a late fee, and you don't want to do that. And also, second thing we're going to be doing in this video is getting something that's called an EIN number as well. So you want to get your LLC and EIN number. When you open up like a business bank account, a business credit card, you're going to need the EIN number. They're going to be asking for this. This is almost like the social security for the business. And don't worry, less than 5 minutes from now, you're going to have your LLC and EIN number. So if you want to follow along with this whole video, I'm going to have a link in the description down below. You can just click that link and you can follow along with everything. It's going to be for 𝘬𝘲𝙀 Brands. Just click that link and let's get started. Do not procrastinate and let's do this. Come on. All right, so we have here the 𝘬𝘲𝙀 Brands. It's going to be, like I said, in the link description down below. You can just click it, and that way you can follow along with the whole process, right? We're going to put Florida here, and we're going to click Get Started. So you want to have a business name already in mind before you start. So for me, I sell full-time on Amazon. That's what I do for a living. So let's say I'm trying to open up another Amazon store. Midtown Power Seller, let's say that's my business. You don't need to type in LLC because it's going to do it for you here. Let's check if it's available, and yes, it is available. So all you're going to do is click Next here. And then what stage are you currently in? You can click whatever works for you. I'm just taking the first few steps. When you're planning on launching, you can just click whatever works for you. This is just pretty much a survey, nothing really, it won't affect anything, like I'm saying. What industry are you in? So if you type in any letter here, you can see a ton of industries. Mine is Amazon, so it's related to e-commerce. So I'm going to put that here. Physical goods or professional services. I offer physical goods because I sell products. Okay, are you planning on hiring employees? For me, I just have a small business, so no. If you do, you can click yes. If you're not sure, click not sure. All right, what is your annual income goal? Click what works for you. Since this is my first year, I'm going to put less than 80,000. Okay, now put the zip code here. And is your business online, brick and mortar, or on the go? Mine is online. And then what are you planning on doing for your business today? We're going to put LLC and also EIN. So these two, we're going to click it and click next. What have you already done for your business? I've done none of this, so I'm going to just skip this. Right? And okay, how do you discover 𝘬𝘲𝙀 Brands? If you're watching this video, just click YouTube, click next here. Do you want to join a 12-week coaching program? If you want to join, it's free. You'll learn a lot more about business plans, cool things, digital marketing. For me, I'm just gonna click no thank you, just because I want to just open the LLC. But if you want to, you can always do that. Now you want to just log in with your personal info. I'm going to just put some stuff here for this example. Okay, and password, and then click next here. After you're done, and we're almost done doing the LLC. Like we're 2 minutes, 3 minutes away. Okay, so EIN number. Remember I said that we need to get the LLC and the EIN number. So 𝘬𝘲𝙀 Brands could get the EIN number for you. It's $99. I recommend it because, let's say you're ready to get your business going, you need that. Or you could do it yourself. After you get your LLC, you go to the IRS website. You do have to do it from Monday through Friday. I don't know why, but for some strange reason, the IRS website doesn't work on Saturday or Sunday, which is very strange. It's a pretty easy process to do. You just do it during the week. You get your LLC and then your EIN number on the website. Or, you can just have 𝘬𝘲𝙀 Brands do it for you for $99 extra. It's all up to you. If you're good with computers, handle it yourself, save some money. If you think it's like, I hate doing this stuff, then just pay the extra $99. It's not that bad. All right, we're gonna click next here. All right, now this is something that people tend to get confused on, which is very, very simple. Assign your registered agent in Florida. So if you live in Florida, you most likely are going to be your own registered agent. For me, for all my businesses and LLCs, I am always my own registered agent. Registered agent is pretty much who's going to be receiving the mail for the business. That's all it means. I mean, they try to make it very complicated with this wording, but it's pretty much who's going to be receiving the mail for the business. So if you live in Florida, most likely you're going to be your own registered agent. Sometimes people open LLCs in different states for tax benefits, like if you're multi-millionaire and you have $1 million business and stuff like that. But for the most part, 99% of the people watching this video are going to be your own registered agent. I'm my own registered agent, and I recommend you to do the same thing. So let's go back here. I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. Click yes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Now, do you want Tabler Brands to auto-renew your LLC for you? They charge $199 to auto-renew it for you, so you don't forget. This is pretty cool to do if you think you're going to forget. For me, I always just renew it myself because they do give you a couple of months and they let you know, and I always do it myself. We're going to click next here. Okay, do you want a branding toolkit? I'm going to skip on this. Click next. And this is something that I recommend you to do. Expedited filing time. So you can get your LLC filed in 2 business days for $49 extra, or if you don't mind waiting and you have a lot on your plate, you can do 14 days and not have to pay anything. I personally would pay a little bit extra for the expedited filing because, let's say, you know, I want to open my business bank account, business credit card, I want to get going, I'm super excited, I have a bunch of plans and ideas, I'll go with the expedited filing. Click next here. Now we have, do you need an operating agreement? No, I always skip on this. You don't need this whatsoever. Do you want a virtual address? For me, I always use my home address for all of my LLCs. Never had an issue with it. There's no problem with it, especially that I sell online. It's really, if you have a storefront, you can use that address as well. If you want to be really private, I mean, I would say to do that maybe once you're very big, but for the most part, most businesses use your home address. I would recommend it. Okay, formation kit, you don't need this whatsoever. Click next here. And do you want to get notified by Tabler Brands? Yes, I do. We're going to click next here. And now Tabler Brands is going to give you these 3 options: Light, Essential, and Elite. But remember when I talked about earlier in this video that we got the expedited filing and the EIN number, these 2 great things, little add-ons. But now that we can go back here, we can click on this light one and not have to pay anything extra. You always do have to pay the state filing fee. The state filing fee is $130 for Florida. So every time you open an LLC for Florida, it's $130. And after that, every year to renew it, it's $130 as well, no matter what. Okay, so that's just to file in Florida. You can click here. But since we did those little add-on features, now you can see a bunch of cool things. So $130, the state filing fee. And then we also got expedited filing for 2 business days for $49. If you don't mind waiting the 2 weeks, you can not have to pay anything. And that's about it. You just click continue, pay more. These are also the renewal we didn't do, operating agreement you don't need. Registered agent, you're going to be your own registered agent. We also got the EIN number as well. And now you're all set and done. Click continue the payment, pay with your card. And that's literally it. That is exactly how you get your LLC in Florida, really fast and easy. After you do this, you're going to put your information of like your address, who's going to be on the business and stuff like that. Really pretty straightforward and straight to the point. If you have any questions regarding any of this, leave a comment down below. I'll try to reply the same day and help you guys out as much as I can. And also, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I really, really appreciate it. It shows YouTube that I'm really trying to do something here. And that's about it. You know, if you want to follow along, that link's down below on the description and pinned comments. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.